The hotkey feature inside of Evmux is a great way to be able to speed up your production in your live streams. It allows you to be able to go ahead and create shortcuts on your keyboard so that for you to be able to switch between scenes and make different actions within inside the Evmux Studio without utilizing your mouse. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where to find the hotkeys. We'll talk about the hotkeys and how to utilize them, and then I'll show you how to integrate it with the Stream Deck so that way it's a little even easier than just clicking a button. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So inside of your Evmux account, once you're inside of the Evmux Studio editor, you're going to come to the right hand side where you see your name or the name of the session, and you're going to click that and you're going to see where it says hotkey settings. Now this is going to give you all the hotkeys that are available inside of the Evmux Studio. So we've already gone ahead and predefined some hotkeys for you to make it a little bit easier, but you can simply go ahead and customize this to your liking. So the first thing that we're going to see is the availability to be able to utilize a hotkey to be able to switch between scenes. You can play the next scene, you can play the previous scene, and then you're going to have here where it says play scene 1 all the way through 9. This is going to be related to pro scenes. So scene 1 is going to be the very first scene that you have inside of pro scenes all the way down to number 9. Then if you want to go ahead and go beyond that, you would go ahead and then start utilizing play next scene or play the previous scene there. Then you have the option to be able to control the dynamic scene templates. You can control all 7 templates, and you can see here we predefined control +1 all the way to 7 to be able to trigger those actions. And the templates that it's referring to are going to be these 7 templates that are here at the bottom. So if you're utilizing dynamic scenes, you can do control 1, control 2 to be able to toggle between the templates, again making it easier for you to be able to switch without having to grab your mouse and make those adjustments. And again, if you have something like a Stream Deck, it makes it even easier because you can just click an actual button. Then we're going to have the option here to be able to control the volume. You can mute, unmute, editor preview, unmute live preview, and mute the backstage. So again, that's going to allow you to be able to mute here, to be able to mute down here, and then also when you're going live, you can also mute the preview window with a click of a button as well. So going back to the hotkeys, you're going to have the option to be able to control your outputs as well. You can mute and unmute your microphone, enable and disable your camera, choose the next camera, and you can choose up to the next 9 cameras if you have that many outputs inserted there as well. Then you're going to have the option to be able to remove and add comments. You can show the last comment, you can hide the last comment, you can hide current banners, hide current tickers, and again, you can see that we've predefined some hotkeys for you. If you were to type in Control-Shift+C, that would show and hide a comment for you. But again, you can customize this to be something more friendly and easier for you to be able to go ahead and remember. Then you also have the availability to be able to control slideshows as well, to be able to move slides. This is great for presentations, allowing you to be able to quickly toggle between slides without having to utilize your mouse. And then of course, utilizing Control-G or a custom input that you want, you can also go ahead and go live and then broadcast, again speeding up the amount of time that you have to spend clicking around to be able to produce your live streams. So these are going to be the hotkeys that are currently available, allowing you to be able to control everything that you have set here. Now if you do go ahead and have a Stream Deck, then what you can do is that inside of your Stream Deck, you're going to see the option that says here under system, says hotkey, allowing you to be able to drop that hotkey in there and then be able to come to your hotkey settings. And let's say Alt N is the one that I want to use for play next scene. You'll simply come here, you'll type in Alt N, and there's going to go ahead and assign it. And then inside the Stream Deck, of course, you can go ahead and utilize a custom icon from Elgato, or you can go ahead and add any image you want to be able to allow you to remember, right? Then you can change the title here where it says next scene, and then that's going to let me know now on my Stream Deck when I push that single button, it's going to go ahead and push over to the next scene. Now you want to make sure that when you do have your Stream Deck that you also have the Evmux editor open, so that way the Stream Deck can connect to the Evmux dashboard and be able to communicate together, allowing you to be able to know that when you push in that button, it's going to go ahead and switch over to the next scene. So just like that, you can see how powerful this feature truly is to allow you to not only streamline your workflow, to minimize errors, but to make it a little bit easier for someone, if you're a one-person show or a one-woman show, to be able to produce and manage and switch between scenes seamlessly. Now, if you want to learn more about what Evmux is capable of doing, you can go ahead and check out this video right here where I show you a full demo and other features that are available inside of Evmux, so that way you can make it your live streaming sweet spot. I'll see you guys in the next video.